vision. That's what the Bible says. People perish if we move away from this vision. And they have not mentioned the issue of vision 2030 or even 2063 anywhere. So we are just people galloping in the dark. Haki ya Mungu, tuko kwa shida hapa. And again, as His Excellency has said, the universal health care through the widow just evaporated. A short while ago, you'd use your people back in the countryside who are happy with NHIF cards. Today, you produce it and you are chased out of the hospital. My brother is a doctor and he was told, don't retain anybody in hospital, even after any, whatever kind of operation, beyond 4 days. If you retain them beyond 4 days, wewe mwenye utalipa. So, it's a question of whether you want to undertake these operations is crazy. But there is one more thing that I think we need to focus on. And this is what I would help us and the Senate. Our Kinara has said it many times, but maybe it has not been, the media has not picked it. The amount of money that is spent by Parliament moving from one country to the other, it's a lot of money. The speakers, for example, and especially in the Senate, they actually exchange suitcases at the airport. He has so many places to go, he has no time, to cover all the trips that have been earmarked for him in a year. If we cannot focus on this also, I think it's something, 41 billion shillings to Parliament compared to the judiciary at 20-something, 22, or something like that, and the housing at 29. There are areas where these characters can focus on and still achieve some of the things they think need to be achieved. Of course, not housing, without taxing the Kenyans. Taxing the merry-go-round, Mama Boga na wale mem. I don't know whether you understand. Mount Kenya is full of those merry-go-rounds. And merry-go-round, chamas, all those table banking. So you introduce table banking so that you can get a mulija kukunywa maziwa ya kina mama jikoni. So this is really taxing people while they are sitting at the fireplace. It's really not something that we need to sit loud and wait. But Baba, as I was coming from Nyandarua the other day, I bought some fruits. And a lady who was selling fruits to me said, "When nimekuona kwa Azimio, this pineapple, I am buying it for you, for Baba. Take it to Baba and tell Baba, you are our only hope. Ukirudi nyuma, wa Kenya watapata shida." Kwa hivyo, Kenyans are looking at what you are doing and the leadership that you are giving to us. Na jana usiku nikawaambiwa, wanagojea tu kuambiwa twende. Pali utasema watu waende, hapo ndio watu wataenda. Wame give up kwa hii